Building wealth is not about earning a huge salary. It is about developing good money habits and giving your money enough time to grow. Many people in Kenya believe they need millions of Kenyan shillings before they can start investing, but that is not true. Some of the best wealth builders started with small amounts and increased their investments as their income grew. The most important step is to begin today rather than waiting for the perfect time. The best wealth building strategy for beginners in Kenya is simple. Spend less than you earn, save consistently, invest wisely, increase your income, and remain patient. These 5 habits have helped many people build financial security over time. There are no shortcuts or magic investments that guarantee quick riches. Real wealth is usually built slowly through discipline and consistency. The first step is to create a realistic budget. Every Kenyan should know exactly how much money comes in each month and where every Kenyan shilling goes. Many people lose money on unnecessary spending because they do not track their expenses. Start by paying for essential needs such as food, rent, transport, school fees, and healthcare. After meeting these needs, set aside money for savings before spending on entertainment or luxury items. Treat your savings like an important monthly bill that must always be paid. Even if you earn only 20,000 Kenyan shillings every month, you can still save something. Saving 2,000 Kenyan shillings every month may seem small, but over several years it becomes meaningful. The habit of saving is far more important than the amount. As your income increases, increase the amount you save instead of increasing your lifestyle immediately. Before investing, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. You may lose your job, face unexpected medical bills, or need urgent repairs at home. Without emergency savings, many people are forced to borrow expensive loans or sell valuable assets. Aim to save enough money to cover at least 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses. Keep this money somewhere that is safe and easy to access when needed. After building your emergency fund, begin investing. One of the easiest places for beginners in Kenya to start is a money market fund. Money market funds generally offer better returns than ordinary savings accounts, while allowing relatively easy access to your money. Many funds also allow people to start with small amounts, making them suitable for first-time investors. They are commonly used as a low-risk option for growing savings while maintaining liquidity. Another excellent option is joining a well-managed savings and credit cooperative society. A savings and credit cooperative society helps members save regularly, earn annual returns where applicable, and qualify for affordable loans. These loans can later help finance business expansion, education, or property purchases. Many financially successful Kenyans have used savings and credit cooperative societies as part of their long-term wealth-building journey. As your investments grow, consider adding government securities such as Treasury bills and Treasury bonds. These investments are generally considered lower risk because they are issued by the government of Kenya. Treasury bills are suitable for shorter investment periods, while Treasury bonds are better suited for long-term goals. They can help diversify your investments and reduce overall risk. If you are comfortable taking slightly more risk, you can gradually invest in shares listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Shares can increase in value over time and may also pay dividends. However, share prices rise and fall, so beginners should only invest money they do not need immediately. It is wise to learn how the stock market works before investing significant amounts. One mistake many beginners make is chasing high returns without understanding the risks involved. If someone promises to double your money within a few weeks or months, you should be very careful. Many fraudulent investment schemes target people who want quick profits. Always research an investment before committing your money. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Increasing your income is just as important as investing. There is only so much money you can save if your earnings remain low. Look for opportunities to improve your skills, find better-paying jobs, start a side business, or earn additional income online. The more money you earn, the more you can invest, allowing your wealth to grow faster. Kenya offers many business opportunities that require relatively small amounts of capital. You can start selling products online, begin a small farming project, provide professional services, or operate a retail business. Profits from these businesses can be reinvested instead of being spent immediately. Reinvesting profits helps your wealth grow much faster over time. Education is another important investment. Spend money learning valuable skills that increase your earning potential. Skills such as digital marketing, accounting, graphic design, programming, artificial intelligence, Video editing, photography, and sales are increasingly valuable in today's economy. The knowledge you gain can produce income for many years. Avoid unnecessary debt whenever possible. Borrowing money for assets that generate income can sometimes be beneficial, but borrowing to finance luxury items usually delays wealth creation. High-interest loans can consume a large portion of your income, making it difficult to save and invest consistently. Compound growth is one of the most powerful tools in wealth building. When your investments generate returns, and those returns are reinvested, your money begins earning returns on previous returns. Over many years, this effect can significantly increase your wealth. This is why starting early is more important than starting with a large amount. For example, imagine saving 5,000 Kenyan shillings every month. After several years of consistent investing and reinvesting your earnings, your investment portfolio can become much larger than the total amount you personally contributed. Time is one of the greatest advantages available to every beginner. Diversification is another important principle. Do not put all your money into one investment. Spread your money across different types of investments such as money market funds, savings and credit cooperative societies, government securities, shares, and your own business if appropriate. Diversification helps reduce risk because poor performance in one investment may be balanced by better performance in another. Review your financial goals regularly. Your priorities may change as you get older. You may want to buy land, build a home, educate your children, start a larger business, or prepare for retirement. Adjust your investment strategy as your goals change, but continue saving and investing consistently. Patience separates successful investors from unsuccessful ones. Markets sometimes decline, businesses may experience slow periods, and economic conditions can change. These challenges are normal. People who remain disciplined and continue investing during both good and difficult times often achieve better long-term results than those who frequently stop and start. The best wealth-building strategy for beginners in Kenya is not complicated. Live below your means, build an emergency fund, invest consistently, increase your income, avoid unnecessary debt, diversify your investments, and stay patient. You do not need to become rich overnight. By making smart financial decisions month after month and year after year, you can steadily build lasting wealth and enjoy greater financial freedom in the future.